How to send PayPal money without linking bank account. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you're going to be sending PayPal money without linking a bank account. So what you're going to be doing in this case is there's 2 to 3 ways to send money, okay? So first of all, there's connecting your bank, which obviously we can't do in this case. So now you can either link your card, okay? And you can create an invoice. Okay. So to link your card, what you are going to be doing is let's say you're going to click on send money. Once you click on send money, you're going to add the user's name and all the other details that they need. And once you add that, you're also going to make sure that the proper link that you've created for the card does not go ahead and match with any other pay links that you've created on PayPal. Okay, make sure that is something you keep an idea of. But generally, once you do that, you can simply go ahead and pay someone without linking a bank account. Okay, so you can either do it through your very own card, or you can create an invoice for yourself. Okay, so create an invoice and you send that invoice to yourself, or you ask someone else to send that invoice to you. And once an invoice is sent to you, you can send them money again through your card by paying on that invoice, or you can do the same through a payment link. So there's many ways to do a payment without your bank account, and these are as so card, invoice, and payment link. So do make sure to try them. Let me know how they work for you. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.